Do you have any questions regarding COVID? Yes, you have chosen the right video. So, in this video, I'm going to answer some of the questions that you must be having in your mind. So, without wasting our time, let's get into this video. Hi friends, welcome to our channel AGT Videos. Please use your headphones for better experience. Can you get COVID twice? CDC study suggests some patients could face more severe COVID-19 with reinfection. It's important to note, however, that while the study indicated coronavirus antibodies protect against reinfection to a significant extent, it also suggests that reinfection can occur. Can COVID get worse after 10 days? Guidelines from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention say that even if you feel better, you still should wait 10 days after symptoms started and go 24 hours without a fever before leaving isolation. But some patients who have felt terrible continue to feel terrible or get worse. What are some long-term lingering side effects of COVID-19? People with long COVID report experiencing different combinations of the following symptoms: tiredness or fatigue, difficulty thinking or concentrating, sometimes referred to as brain fog, headache, loss of smell or taste, dizziness on standing, fast beating or pounding heart, also known as heart palpitation, and chest pain. What is long-term COVID? For some people, COVID-19 can cause symptoms that last weeks or months after the infection has gone. This is sometimes called post-COVID syndrome or long COVID. Can COVID symptoms last for months? Even in mild cases, symptoms of COVID-19 can linger for at least 8 months, according to a new research. About 15% of healthcare workers who experienced mild COVID-19 reported at least one ongoing symptom at least 8 months after infection, according to a new study in Sweden. What are post-COVID complications? Fibrosis of lungs, cardiac arrest, renal failure, neurological problems, and diabetes are among the most common complications observed, doctors said. Mucormycosis, a fungal infection, was added to the woes of people who have recovered from the disease. It's also known as black fungus. What are the long-term lung problems after COVID-19? Many people recovering from COVID-19 suffer from long-term symptoms of lung damage, including breathlessness, coughing, fatigue, and limited ability to exercise. COVID-19 can lead to inflammation in the lungs due to the infection and immune system's reaction to it. Effects of COVID-19 treatment or hospitalization. Effects of COVID-19 treatment and hospitalization can also include post-intensive care syndrome, PICS, which refers to health effects that remain after a critical illness. These effects can include severe weakness and post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. Do long-term COVID symptoms go away? If you focus on the loss of smell and taste sensation, on average, that symptom lasts 2 to 3 weeks in most patients, but in some, it can last for months, said Dr. Shangavi. Similarly, a recent study found that 25% of patients had depression, anxiety, PTSD, and sleeping difficulties. Can COVID cause neurological problems? Without directly invading the brain or nerves, the virus responsible for the 2019 coronavirus disease pandemic causes potentially damaging neurological problems in about 1 in 7 infected, a new study shows. Can you have COVID without fever? Yes, you can be infected with the coronavirus and have a cough or other symptoms with no fever, or a very low grade one, especially in the first few days. Keep in mind that it is also possible to have COVID-19 with minimal or even no symptoms at all. What does COVID brain fog be like? Brain fog is not a medical or scientific term. It is used by individuals to describe how they feel when their thinking is sluggish, fuzzy, and not sharp. We all experience this feeling from time to time. Perhaps you couldn't think clearly when you were sick with the flu or other illness. Is fogginess a symptom of COVID? But others like brain fog are more puzzling. Many people who have recovered from COVID 19 have reported feeling not like themselves, experiencing short term memory loss, confusion, and inability to concentrate, and just feeling differently than they did before contracting the infection. How long does COVID fatigue last? Recovery from post viral fatigue can vary a lot from one person to the next. Some people are back to normal within a month or two, while others experience lingering symptoms for years. When recovering from COVID 19, you may feel you need to sleep more or feel exhausted after only taking a short walk. You can reduce tiredness and fatigue by developing a healthy sleep routine, having a nap when you can if you need to, drinking plenty of water to keep hydrated, eating nutritional food. I hope that I have answered at least some of the questions of yours. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you like it.